To register a vehicle daily progress entry, ton and monthly basis. Go to main page by clicking back button, select hire vehicle from drop down and choose vehicle daily progress entry, ton and monthly basis. Used for hire vehicles hired on a tonnage-based or monthly basis. Main page, fields. Filters progress reports by branch. Vehicle code, redirects to the hire vehicle position view. Vehicle number, displays the vehicle's registration number. Vehicle name, shows the name of the vehicle. Vehicle type, indicates the vehicle type. Company, displays the company name. Vehicle basis, determines whether the vehicle is tracked on a ton or monthly basis. Click on the vehicle code to be redirected to the Add Vehicle Daily Progress Entry, Ton Basis, page. On this page, click Add New to enter a new record for hire vehicle position entry. Vehicle details. Vehicle code. Vehicle name. Vehicle type. Vehicle basis. Branch. Vehicle number. Vehicle status, these are auto-fetched. Vehicle position entry form. Date. Number of tons required. Starting km. Closing km. Diesel quantity. No of trips/output. Add location. Number of loads. Unit of measurement, UOM drop-down selection. Volume, CFT/m, required. Remarks. Braking hours. Click Submit to save the entry. Once saved, the data will be displayed in a structured table, allowing you to edit or delete the entry as needed. Tire maintenance details. Tire maintenance details is a feature that helps track and manage the tires used in vehicles. It allows users to store information about each tire, monitor its usage, and update maintenance records. This ensures better vehicle performance, reduces unexpected breakdowns, and extends tire life. Navigate to the Tire Maintenance Details section from the main menu. Here, you will see a list of all vehicles along with their tire details. Each vehicle is listed with the following details. Vehicle code. This is a unique identifier for each vehicle, which may refer to a specific front-end loader. Vehicle name. The registered name of the vehicle for easy recognition. This is the license plate or unique vehicle identification number. Adding new tire information. To add a new tire entry, click on the Add New Tire button. Enter the following details. Tire serial number, unique serial number of the tire. After selecting serial number, the model and make, tire type are auto-fetched based on the entry done in master modules. Enter amount, cost of the tire. Position, where the tire is fitted on the vehicle. Fitting date, the date when the tire was installed. Fitting hour, the working hours recorded at the time of fitting. Click Save to store the information. Updating and tracking tire information. Navigate to an existing tire entry and click Edit to make changes. Update details like running km/HRS to track usage. Use the Remarks section to add notes about wear, damage, or other issues. Removing tire entries. If a tire is no longer in use, select the Remove option. Confirm deletion to remove the entry from the system. Battery card maintenance. Battery card maintenance is a feature designed to track and manage vehicle battery details after registration. It helps ensure regular updates, maintenance, and monitoring of battery performance for vehicles. This feature works in 2 stages. Battery registration, master module. The battery card is first registered in the master module with basic details. Battery maintenance, transaction module. After registration, users can track, update, and manage battery records in the transaction module. Navigate to the battery card maintenance section. Here, you will see a list of all registered battery cards. The list contains several important details. Vehicle, the vehicle associated with the battery. Battery code, a unique identification code assigned to each battery. Battery type, the type of battery used, such as lead acid or lithium-ion. Fitted date, the date when the battery was installed in the vehicle. Viewing and generating battery reports. Each battery entry has a Report/View button. Before adding a report, the button appears as Report. Click it to enter a new report for the battery. After adding a report, the button changes to View. Click it to see the saved report and battery history. Adding a new battery card. To register a new battery card, click on Add New. Fill the following details. Select the vehicle associated with the battery. Enter the battery code, a unique identifier. Choose the battery type, example, lead acid. Specify the fitted date when the battery was installed. Click Submit to save the new battery card. Important: once a new battery card is added, you must also register it in the master module for full integration into the system. Editing an existing battery card. Locate the battery card in the list. Click on Edit to update details. Modify the vehicle, battery code, battery type, or fitted date as needed. Click Save to update the information. Deleting a battery card. If a battery card is no longer in use, it can be removed from the system. Check the Delete checkbox next to the entry you want to remove. Confirm deletion. Real-time example. A logistics company uses the periodic entry, Own Vehicle, module to track maintenance for its fleet of trucks. When a truck reaches 10,000 kilometers, the system alerts the fleet manager to schedule an oil change and filter replacement. The manager selects the truck, enters the service details, and records the oil grade, part numbers, and the hour meter reading. The system logs the data, ensuring the truck gets serviced on time, reducing breakdown risks. This process repeats for other maintenance activities like tire replacements, brake checks, and gearbox servicing, keeping the fleet in top condition and minimizing downtime. Vehicle daily progress entry is used for both owned and hired vehicles in logistics, transport, construction, and mining operations. For owned vehicles, entries track daily usage, fuel consumption, and driver details based on kilometers traveled. For hired vehicles, entries are recorded based on hourly usage, tonnage, or kilometer basis, depending on the hire agreement. It is updated daily after a trip or work shift to monitor performance and plan maintenance. Tire maintenance is essential for fleet management and transport companies to track tire replacements, running kilometers/hours, and wear and tear. It is used when fitting new tires, during routine inspections, and before long trips to ensure safety and longevity. Battery card maintenance is used in vehicle service centers and transport companies to manage battery installations and health status. It is updated when a new battery is fitted, during scheduled maintenance checks, and when replacing a battery to prevent breakdowns and track battery life.